I want to thank you for choosing the investment division of Pound Sand Incorporated for your investing needs. We welcome you to our accomplished group of smart, wise, and informed investors so you too can watch your money move through the system like a well-designed sewer. I'm Derek Miller, Chief Financial Officer of Pound Sand Incorporated, and your personal investment advisor. Despite being the person in control of the financial well-being of this multi-trillion-dollar company, I want to assure you that I'll never self-promote to further our company's interest. Nor will I advise you to any stock that I have or have had, as that may constitute a moral and ethical conflict of interest. Now that we got the legal stuff out of the way, let's get to my top 3 picks for the first fiscal quarter of 2009. My first pick, and strongest pick, is found on the Dow 100. Its ticker symbol, PSI. That stands for Pound Sand Incorporated. PSI has shown itself to be a winner, despite the economic poop bag that Wall Street has us swimming in. Obamonomics or not, this stock stimulates me. Its 52-week high was just under a number, and its 52-week low was just a little bit lower. What does that mean for you? It is time to strike while the iron is hot. Its P/E, or price-to-earning ratio for you newbies out there, is at an all-time low. What have we learned about situations like these in the past? That the best time to secure yourself to a sinking ship is right before all critical systems fail. That's when you see what the ship is made out of. It worked for the Titanic. It can work for you. Moving on to my second pick that I am currently or not currently invested in is the ever rapidly growing Yes Entertainment. Ticker symbol YESS, traded on the OTCBB. Nothing says growth and expansion better than me trading on a system that has had a stock with a 3,800% increase in just one day. That stock opened below 1/10 of 1 cent, and it closed at 0.8 of 1 cent. In the words of Darth Vader, impressive. Yes is the maker of the most popular toy on the market today. Teddy Ruxpin, folks, and this is not your parents' version. Check out the latest revisions on this lifelike juggernaut. It inhales and exhales. It blinks. It has a heartbeat, which is more than I can say for the former vice president. If you think that this is some lame doll you put a cassette into its spinal column, and it utters a few meaningless phrases, you're sorely mistaken. TR has its own iPod Shuffle, Facebook page, MySpace page. He Twitters hourly. Who even knows what that means? Gone are the days of a few pre-programmed movements. What? I'm working. See you in a couple minutes. I'm almost done. I apologize for the interruption. TR is so real, you'll be shocked. Seriously, you'll need a large cat box and a medium-sized spade shovel. I mean, bears have a tremendous digestive system, but I'm sure you already knew that. What about Yes's finances? Last quarter, we saw a loss of $28.77. I spoke with their CFO, and he reassured me that the foot-long subs at Subway, they've been cut out of the budget altogether for the employee. Next quarter, they're estimating a profit, $31. I hope you're listening, fatty. Stop eating the profits. Finally, we get to my third stock pick for the first fiscal quarter of 2009. Drum roll, please. Thank you, Sugar Bridges. SSPC is traded on the same dynamic system as Yes, the over-the-counter bulletin board. Southern States Power Company is the future of Americans. It's founded by Americans, for Americans, and is quickly becoming the clear choice for alternative fuels. Look, If you're buying fuel from some guy that looks like he's directly responsible for the collapse of the North Tower on 9/11, then this is the company for you. I spent some time reviewing their sheets so that you don't have to. The most recent income report from 2003, check these stats out. They had $2,000 cash on hand. Cha-ching! Now, if they had more hands, they could have more cash. With only 3 employees, cash on hand is pretty limited. Could you imagine if they had 10 employees? I'm not good with numbers, but I think that's about $20 million. That's why they need our support. Invest in SSPC. It's account for all offshore in the Cayman Islands. And I think we all know that terrorists hate the Caribbean. Your money will earn an interest rate that is unbelievable. It seems illegal, but be assured, it is as legal as it gets on a small chain of islands in the Caribbean with absolutely no oversight. So those are my 3 stock picks for this quarter. Thank you for joining me in the investment division of Pound Sand Incorporated, and have a great day.